Hi and welcome. Your bread barista here. Showing you how to save money and time by benefiting from the versatility of a raw dough.
Make and bake your own bread varieties with lower costs for purchasing, handling, and storing raw materials and ingredients, and less time for mixing and pre-proofing, with a little help from the best raw dough around. Handcrafted from pure quality ingredients that will enable you to distinguish yourself easily from your competitors.
Our perfect and consistent raw dough takes up less space and can simply be stored in the freezer.
And, above all, empowers your staff to focus on their creativity, creating different shapes, sizes, cuttings and toppings with a truly personal, signature artisan look, taste and variety.
And the same dough can be used to make loaves, buns and rolls.
And different doughs can be combined to create the exact bread you want.
So, whenever you want to create and offer more bread fun, taste and variety in less time and with less cost,